Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and into my MiniVerse kitchen. A couple of things for this video. First of all, I am sorry for the band-aid. I have some type of infection that is obviously my middle finger, but it's like in this part, like right in here, my finger. So that's the reason there's a band-aid. You can see there's the ointment kind of peeking out there. I did cover it up for you. No, this fingernail is not painted. I wouldn't do that, but I did paint my nails. So I have all painted but one. I have the antibiotic cream that they gave me. It's this. So this is what I'm keeping on it. I am using a literal surgical soap to wash my hand. I'm keeping it dry. I'm doing all of the things. They did a biopsy. We're waiting on the results. We don't know what it is, but I'm also taking oral antibiotics and doing all of the things. Okay, so anyway, my apologies for the band-aid, but I wanted to get this done. Okay, so the main reason for this video is I told a couple of my MiniVerse friends, and I had already posted on my community tab showing pictures and trying to explain how to find these, okay? So this is for the 2025 MiniVerse Make It Mini Valentines and how to find the RARE, okay? So the RARE this year is a really cute fondue pot. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the RARE for 2025. It is adorable. So let me explain to you how to find the RARE, okay? So I went and got this one today because I was still missing one, and this was the one. They had one capsule, and it was the one that I needed, so it was meant for me, right? Yep, okay. So here's the capsule. Now I want you to turn the capsule and look at where the UPC is, right? This label, the label you scan when you purchase, okay? Now, when I say a stamped number system, see right there? That's what I mean by stamped. See how this, even though it is technically printed, but it doesn't look like the rest of the printing, right? It's different, it's odd. And this is normally how you can tell of the rares for the holiday series, okay? This is how I was able to find Halloween and Christmas. So here's the number, and as you see, it's on the pink outer wrapper, right? Good, no problem. Now, that one is a regular one. This one is actually the donuts, okay? Now the RARE, and I did put this back together because I have opened my capsule, so I just kind of slung a wrapper back on this so that I can show you. So for the RARE, I want you to look and see how the number isn't here, right? The number, the stamped number, is actually in the white UPC box, okay? See that? See, I have it circled right there, and then where that one is. So the ones that have that stamped number in the white UPC box like this is your RARE, okay? So when you go out and you're looking at them, the RARE can be in any of the capsules. It can be in the drink, it can be in the donuts, it can be in the Petit Fours, you know, it can be in any of them. So, but that's how you tell, and that's how you'll know what you're getting. So just look for your the UPC, see where the stamped number set is, and you'll know that's your RARE. And then you purchase the other ones based on their label. right there. So you see these are the heart donuts. So, okay. Let me show y'all what this collection consists of because I think it is super cute. So there are the Cupid's Float, like 2 little milkshakes in heart-shaped glasses. I'm gonna have to get another set of these because I love MiniVerse's glasses, their cups. And then next is the Conversation Heart Petite Fours. And these, I don't know if they're supposed to be cupcakes or just cookies, but they're really thick, like they're really tall, and I've seen people cutting them in half. So basically like here where the frosting goes across there and across there, that lighter part. So they're cutting it across there. So instead of having 4 cookies, you have 8 cookies. I think 8. I don't know. I guess maybe it comes with 6, and so you have 12. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. I mean, I'd take the wrapper off, but I haven't opened the packaging. I want to do that with you guys. Okay. And then next is the heart donuts. Just basic heart-shaped donuts, sprinkles, and the resin, you know, basic. And then the RARE, which is the Choco Heart Fondue. And this is absolutely amazing. And I did get 2 of this one for 2 reasons. One, if one of my 2 MiniVerse friends does not have any luck locating it, I would be willing to send it to her, okay? Because I would like her to have the whole collection. And I know that, I don't know if it was Christmas or Halloween, but she didn't get it, and she was kind of disappointed. And anyway, I would like for her to have it if she's not able to find it. If she's able to find it, great. The fondue set actually means a lot to me. It was the first one that I did want. The reason for that is when my husband and I got married, the night that we got married, we went out to a fondue restaurant in the Atlanta area. It's called the Melting Pot. So that fondue experience, you know, for us it's special, you know. And we typically go back there for our anniversaries, but we haven't been since 2019 because of the C19, and then we have moved about 3 hours away from there. So anyway, so I did want to explain how to find this. I hope you're all able to find it, and I hope that this video helps. We will be back to make these. I am super excited to make them. I have so many, you guys, I have so many of these capsules that are piled up in boxes, and we got to do them. We've got to bust this out. Okay, anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you're all doing amazing. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Tomorrow is Friday. Hopefully I can get this edited and get it up on Friday, so that you can go shopping this weekend and locate your MiniVerse. So I will talk to you later. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Bye.